Mommy bead your hair?
Yeah.
You gotta have them help. They have to help, okay?
Uno,
Good job.
dos.
What's up, you guys? I'm literally halfway through with my daughter's hair, and I was like, oh my gosh, I should record this. It's coming out so cute, you guys. So today we're doing knotless braids with her real hair, and we're adding beads at the end, and it's coming out so cute. Make sure you guys stay tuned throughout the entire video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I had this idea in my head, and I was like, okay, boom, I'm about to do it. And I was like, this is really cute. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do knotless braids with beads and just using your real hair. So this video is going to be super beginner friendly. It's going to have amazing visuals. So you guys are literally going to see exactly how to do it. And I'm going to give you guys a few options. I'm going to show you guys how I over braid in order to plait down her hair, as well as I'm going to show you guys how to under braid. So you guys can just see how I do it, and then once you try it on your own head or someone's head, you can decide which method you want to use. So my daughter's hair is already moisturized. I use virgin olive oil and I use coconut oil, and as you guys can see in this video, I'm using Jamaican black castor oil. So I will have those three oils linked in the description box down below. Those are my favorite oil for like kinky hair, and it just moisturizes the hair amazingly. Okay, so right now I'm showing you guys how to do the over braid when it comes to plaiting down your hair to achieve the knotless box braid look, okay? So I'm going to show you guys this a few times throughout the video. So this part I'm going to show you first is the over braiding, and then later on in the video you'll see me doing the under braiding, and then you can decide which one works best for you. I'm using the Jamaican black castor oil on the roots and at the ends of the hair. As you guys can see, the ends of her hair are super frizzy, and because the oil is so thick, it just smooths her hair down so much better, and it just makes it a lot more neater. So yeah, I like to use the Jamaican black castor oil on the ends, and the moisturization is like amazing, you guys. All right, so make sure you have an oil that's thick. So at the ends of her hair, instead of continue to braid, I go ahead and twist her hair. I find it so much easier when you twist the ends because it causes less breakage. If you braid the hair all the way down, and when it's time to unbraid your hair, the ends is already super thin and it kind of gets tangled and some of the hair breaks off. So that's why what I do, I braid majority of the hair, and at the very end I do the 2-strand twist, so when it's time to take her hair down, all I have to do is untwist the ends, and it avoids any unnecessary breakage. So let me know if you guys use that tip. Once I like literally decided to do that, the ends of her hair never breaks off, like ever. Anywho, for those of you that are visual learners and you have to see what the person is doing in order to actually grasp the concept, okay, of the hairstyle, I hope this video was helpful. I tried to get the great angles because I know some people can go based off words, and some people like I have to literally see you do every step in order to be like, okay, that's how to do it. You feel me? So yeah, this is a great beginner video. I know the knotless box braids with the beads is popping. I plan on recording a video doing the knotless method, but with no feet in, baby, because like I'm a beginner. So I'm gonna try like the crochet method on my hair. Let me know if you guys want to see that. I hopefully will be doing that very soon, because it's like I'm literally obsessed with this hairstyle now that I did it on my daughter. I'm like, I'm gonna do it on myself, but I'm gonna add fake hair. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see that. Back to the video. The hair is split in 3. I'm taking the hair on the left and I'm putting it over the middle. Boom. So it's going to go over. So I'm taking the hair that's on the right and I'm putting it over that hair. And then you just begin braiding. Like, let me know if that makes sense. I'm going to try to explain it again. And I feel like the visual is better when I under braid it, and then you guys can like kind of see.
Mommy, are you almost done?
Kids always like, are you done? Are you done? You almost done yet? But as you guys can see, there was 3 strands. I'm just making it into 2 strands and I'm twisting all the way to the end. Once again, I do this because it prevents breakage at the ends of the hair. Bada boom, bada bang. And then I'm just going to continue braiding.
We're coming for you, Lucky! This St. Patrick's Day, the clover charms turn milk green!
Boom! Cute!
Which one you get? This one?
Do you want to help me put it on the, you want to help me bead your hair?
Yeah.
Okay. So get 5 beads and put them on here. Just random beads, whatever color. You got to have them help. They have to help, okay? Gonna help me do the beads. You're going to be my big helper?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Just one less thing for me to do.
By yourself. Right. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Perfecto. I'm going to give it back to you. And then you're going to put 5 more. Then another 5 because each braid has 10. Okay. Okay, 5 more. 5 more, please. And we got 3 more braids. 3 more braids. Actually 4.
1,
Good job.
2, 3, 4, y 5.
I see you showing off for the camera speaking in Spanish. I know that's right. Counting in Spanish. So we are 3/4 done. We got our beads on here, our shakies. Turn it. Got the back part done. And all we got is this part of the head. But we're taking a break because like, I'm tired. What? What's going on with you? What are you doing? What are you doing? The camera watching you. You on candy camera. Smile for the camera. Smile. Yikes. Pray for me. Y'all see that last clip? I'm telling you, I wanted a boy so bad. And I have a boy, okay? So with that being said, just pray for your girl because I swear, me and baby girl be going through it with him. Anyways, my daughter had dandruff and I love, oh my gosh, I have the weirdest obsession. Like, it low-key make my mouth water. Like, I love dandruff. I love just scratching it out and just seeing it like flake. You know, people have like weird things about themselves. Like, that's one weird thing about me. Like, I love dandruff. Anyways, so in this clip, I'm going to show you guys how to under braid, okay? So the lighting is way better. And here we go with the dandruff again. The lighting is way better, so just stay tuned. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, even just watching the playback, I'm just like, I don't know. I'm weird. I'm very, very weird, okay? We all are, right? The best of us are weird. I'm leaving some of her edges out. So now I'm going to go ahead and under braid her hair. So we have 3 pieces. So I'm taking the left. It doesn't matter which one, but I'm taking the left under, and then I'm taking the right under. And then the middle one is going to go under last. And then you'll just plait it all the way down. So I'll show you guys how I under braid in the next clip. So if you guys didn't catch it this time, you will catch it next time. And I'll show you guys on the middle of her head. So let me know in the comments down below. I'm curious, are you guys over braiders or are you guys under braiders? And can someone teach me how to braid in general, okay? Because it's just it'd be hard out here for us beginners sometimes because I can't do all the styles that everybody else do. I really be struggling. I just be like, why can't my hands just do what they need to do? Like, I just need help. So here's a clip where I show you guys how I underbraid once again. So you have your 3 strands and I'm going with the right one and I'm taking it under. And then I'm going with the left side and I'm taking that under. Boom. And then lastly, I'll take that middle part that's still out and I'm going to take that under. Boom. And that's the best that I got. And you just braid all the way down. If y'all didn't catch it then, I can't help you, okay? If you didn't catch it right there, that was the best clip I got of showing you guys how I underbraid, okay? So let me know if you caught it. See how that hair is really thin at the end? That's why it's twisted, because I'm telling you, if you try to braid that little thin hair all the way down, once 2 weeks, her hair is going to be up for 2 weeks. Once the 2 weeks is over, no, it's going to be kind of tangled and it's just going to have some breakage. So twist the ends of the hair. There you go again. I'm not going to say nothing. Just look. And you just braid. I mean, that's all I can do. Let me know if the visual helped or did me trying to explain it. Was I a little bit on point? Let me know in the comments down below, y'all. It's super easy, but I mean, you can't assume. So I grease her scalp or oil her scalp with the Jamaican black castor oil.
But this is the last one. Ace Baby Shark. Look, Grandma Shark. Grandma Shark. Grandma Shark.
I guess you'll just have to trust me.
Look, Baby Shark. Look, Baby Shark. Look, Baby Shark. When you're looking away, I'm about to show off my hair.
Huh?
When you're not looking at to show off my hair. When you're not looking away, you about to get some.